Good morning, student. Myself Manoj Chotia from Raghunath Vidyalaya, Ratangad. We are studying embryology. In embryology, we studied two chapters. First of all, gametogenesis in human, and second, fertilization in human. After fertilization, the zygote is performed. Then zygote is converted into embryo. So today's our topic is or chapter is embryonic development in human. Embryonic development in human. Embryonic development from cell division and cellular differentiation in zygote is known as embryogenesis. In this chapter, there are so many one mark question are performed. So you have to emphasis on that one mark question. First of all, embryogenesis. Embryogenesis. What is embryogenesis? First question of this chapter. Embryonic development from cell division and cellular differentiation in zygote is known as human embryogenesis. In human, this process of gradual development starts from a single cell zygote and continue up to development of newborn baby. That is called embryogenesis. Now, second question, cleavage. What is cleavage? The mitotic division in which the number of cells are increases but the size of cell remains same. That is called cleavage. So, one mark question here also performed. What is cleavage? A mitotic division in which the number of cells are increasing but the size of cells remains same. The process of fertilization in human completes in fallopian tube. As we know, in fallopian tube there is fertilization. After fertilization, cleavage is start, and this embryo, or we can say zygote, move towards uterus. So that movement is called structural morphologic morphogenetic movement. Okay, means the zygote move towards uterus and the cleavage also happens together. So this is called morphogenetic movement or structural morphogenetic movement. So initial mitotic division in zygote or called cleavage. When zygote is processed towards uterus from oviduct, then cleavage start. First of all, zygote divide mitotically into two equal cells, which is called two-celled stage. Later on, out of these two cells, the large cell divides mitotically to form two cells, and small cell also divided. Means what happened? You can see zygote. First of all, there is a division, two cell structure is performed, then four cell, then eight cell, then 16 cell. Whenever 16 cells are performed, just like this structure, you can see this structure, and this structure is called morula, and the process of morula is called morulation. When the number of cells become 16, when the number of cells become 16, then this solid phase is called morula. When the number of cells becomes 16 and solid phase is called morula. Okay, so here also one mark question, what is morula? At solid 16 cell structure of embryo is called morula. Zona pellucida. Zona pellucida means in the egg, zona pellucida not dissolved till now. Zona pellucida named covering is present tip up to completion of morula formation. The process of formation of morula, the process of formation of morula is called morulation. The process is complete in 3 days. The process of morulation is completed in 3 days. You have to remember this time period also, because one mark question is also performed. Morulation, the timing of morulation is 3 days. Outer membrane means zona pellucida of morula prevent embryo from getting implantation elsewhere than uterus. What is the role of zona pellucida? It prevent to implantation of embryo elsewhere uterus. Now next question is performed. What is blastulation? The process of formation of blastula or blastocyst is called blastulation. The process of formation of blastocyst is called blastulation, or we can say the process of formation of blastocyst from morula is called blastulation. On reaching morula at uterus, its outermost cuboidal cell, form a layer of flat cell which is called trophoblast. These flat cells are called these flat cells are called this structure is called trophoblast, and these cells comes to the animal pole, and these cells are called inner cell mass. यानी मोरुला की जो सेल्स थी वो सेल्स आकर क्या हो जाती है, एक पोल के ऊपर कलेक्ट हो जाती है, और ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है इसके अंदर अब यूट्रस से एक लिक्विड फुलफिल होता रहता है. ड्यू टू सिक्रेशन ऑफ uterine fluid in morula, trophoblast separate from inner cell mass by this cavity is formed which is called blastocele. This cavity is called blastocele by filling up uterus liquid in the morula. A fluid is filled in it. As amount of fluid increases, the size of cavity enlarges and internal mass of cells gets located at one place of embryo. The cell of trophoblast also become extremely flat. This stage is called blastocyst. So this whole stage, these cells also getting flat cells. These cells also becoming flat, just like these, and whole structure is called blastocele. Blastocele is the cavity, and a whole cell is called blastocyst. Blastocyst is attached with uterine endometrium by trophoblast cell. These cells of trophoblast attached to the uterine. This process is called implantation. This process is called implantation. Means stopping the structural morphological movement in uterus is called implantation, or we can say the process of attachment of blastoceles with uterine wall is called implantation. This type of implantation in a human is called interstitial because uterine endometrium slowly encircled the blastoceles. The endometrium layer of uterus slowly encircled whole morula, that is called interstitial blastocyst. Resulting blastocyst gestring in the uterine endometrium, it is called imposition. It is called imposition. So here another two questions are performed. First, implantation, stopping the structural movement of morula is called implantation, or the trophoblast cells are attached to the uterine wall is called implantation. And whenever the endometrium layer of uterus encircled the whole morula or blastocyst, this process is called imposition. After imposition, the internal cell mass gets differentiation into ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. after implantation or imposition, the internal cell mass, or inner cell mass gets differentiated into ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and this process is called gastrulation. This process is called gastrulation, or the structure is called gastrula, means formation of ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm are called gastrula, and formation of this process is called gastrulation. The germinal layer form blastocyst is called gastrulation. In this process, the cell reaches their future location by amoeboidal movement. So, by which movement gastrulation is performed? Amoeboidal movement. Now, all these three germinal layer means ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm perform all the human organ. Just like I am telling you, ectoderm. Ectoderm perform epidermis and skin derivatives, nervous system, brain and spinal cord, motor and optic nerve, eye, retina, lens and cornea are made by ectoderm. Connective, ciliary and iris, muscles, olfactory epithelium, internal ear, membrane of labyrinth, stomidium, salivary gland, enamel of teeth, proctodium, pituitary gland, pineal gland, adrenal medulla hypophysis. All these organs are made by ectoderm. And here one mark question, another performed what? Maximum organ are performed by mesoderm. So you have to remember the maximum organ of human being are performed by mesoderm, like dermis, muscular tissue, connective tissue, endoskeleton, vascular system means heart and blood vessels, kidney, reproductive system, urinary and reproductive duct, coelom and coelomic epithelium, sclerotic and choroid covering of eye, adrenal cortex, spleen, notochord, parietal and visceral peritoneum, dentine of teeth. All these organs are made by dermis. And now last, endoderm, gastric and intestinal gland, tongue, lungs, trachea, bronchi, urinary bladder, primordial cells, gills, liver, pancreas, thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus, middle ear, eustachian tube, jejunum, lining of vagina and urethra, and prostate gland. These organs are made by endoderm. So, these three germinal layer or gastrula are making all the human organ. Thank you for today's class. In this chapter, only one topic is remains, the fate of germinal layer, which we will study in our next video. Thank you.